What's up, everybody? Whoa. Something a little bit different today. I'm going to talk about neon portraits and some presets. Some are free, or the bundle. We'll find out. What's up, everybody? If you're new here, my name is Hernandez. I do portraits, behind the scenes, some cinematic stuff, some tutorials, comparison, anything related to the field of being a creative, whether it be photography or cinematic stuff. So today we're going to be talking about neon portraits. I'm going to be demonstrating what I'm doing and while I'm doing it. And you're going to see the images. I did neon portraits a few months back ago. Yeah, I believe. Just click the link right there if you want to check it out, or in the description below. So for this shoot, I used the A7III with the Sigma 35 and my phone. All right, so for this first clip, you see that I'm using my phone, as you can see, as a reflective to reflect those lights and some of the wheel into the frame. And for this shot, I wanted to angle it a little bit more, kind of like lining up with the wheel, but not really. I was waiting just for that specific time to those lights to come up, because they would change from red to green to yellow, but I wanted that specific blue to come up. For this shot, I wanted to make the red pop up more. You see me getting the angle and there's somebody behind there, which is okay, because that's what I'm shooting in a public place, but that doesn't stop me from shooting in public places until I get kicked out. This shoot was a David Buzzers, and then if they try to tell me something, I'm gonna tell them, yo, David Buzzers followed me. I got proof. You want me? I'm gonna show you right now. Hold on. I'm on their page. You tell me, who are they following? So yeah, they followed me after I did that first photo shoot with my cousin Lillian. That the link is in the description. All right, now for this shot, we were in some area from a certain angle. It looked good, but then I just went around like a pretty much like a 180, and the angle came out so much better. And here are the results of that. All right, for this shot, it was a very pink color machine type of machine that the lights were lovely. It will go from like hot pink and it would like cool down. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you, because I know you can't see too much from the angle. So this is the photo and the reflection on how I want what I want to be seen more on the screen for the camera to pick up. I will go from like that, or like that, or something like that. Pretty much anything. This is taking too far. You can't get too much. But it's pretty much from that angle to that angle. Something like that. That can get you the good areas. Get you the good area of reflection for that you want to cover. And there was another shot that I didn't put up, but check it out. Here's the before and after of that shot. It's more in depth than to get that exposure balance. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know which photo you like best. Just go back in the video for the photo you like best, or you just put in the time code which you like best. If you want to check out those presets, there's a link down below. It's pretty much like a buy 2 get 3 free presets, because there's 2 presets that I like a lot. Support me by supporting this channel, so that helps me in the long run, so I can create more content for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and share. If this video was useful in any way, please share with your family and friend, anybody that could be interested into photography or even neon photography. Since this is covering that, neon photography. Oh, don't forget to hit the notification bell button. And see you in the next one. Peace.